In this video, I will guide you how you can start copying the trades of my live trading account managed by in-depth optimized robots and indicators and algo trading. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome to TradingBotLab. I'm your host Abdul. I am providing copy trading service, and in this video I will explain you how you can start. Let's move to my screen. As you know, I am doing in-depth optimizations of different reports. Here you can see the backtest results of a lot of reports with a lot of results. Every report is optimized on multiple pairs. For example, this bot is on gold, the node neural is on multiple pairs, the dark nova is on multiple pairs. Okay, so once I got best bot, I simply put that bot on my live trading account, and my trading account is available publicly to start copying. To do that, simply you need to move to the services tab and then select copy trading. From here you can follow the instructions on this page, which are simple 2 steps, and the most important things are no VPS required, no active internet required, and you no need to pay me any fees to start copying. So once we make profit and the profits on your account, I will get some part of your profit. And here you can see the step 1. To provide the copy trading service, I am using the 2Prime flexible copy trading platform, where I can put my Cent account, and you can also attach your Cent account to my live trading account. And by this way you can simply test my trading with just deposit of $10, and once you got satisfied you can increase your investment to earn more. So here first of all you will open a new account. Here once you click on it, it will be opened, and here you will put all the information. You can select the individual client, your name, country, and all other things. Okay, and when you complete the account opening process and then verification and deposit, after that you need to go back to the website and then proceed to the step 2, which is click here to register. This is the TradingBotLab flexible trade copying. When you select here, you will see the platform of copy trading by the TradingBotLab. And here you need to sign up, or if you already have your account. Remember, the TradingBotLab account will not work here. This is a separate account of copy trading platform. So you need to register here with your email. You can set the new password or the same password. Okay. And once you log into the TradingBotLab account, you simply need to open a new live account from here, from your main panel, and select here the MT5 Cent account, then select the leverage 1000, the currency USC, which is a Cent account, and then continue, and then again continue. Here you will see the success message and your password and investor password. You can copy all these details and paste into some notepad file, or you can take a screenshot or something like that. You need to remember, but don't worry. Yes, if you forget this password, you can recover from the account overview section. So for now, the account is completed here, and the next step is to go to the website to proceed with the step 2. And here you see the register on TradingBotLab flexible copy trading. So simply you need to come here, and here is the TradingBotLab flexible copy, like flexible copy trading. Click here. So here are total 2 options for the copy trading, the flexible copy trading and the DP copy trading. I am providing the services on the flexible copy trading. So if you go to the DP copy trading, you will not be able to follow my trades or my account. Okay, so I will select the flexible copy trading, and from here, if you are using this first time, you need to register as the follower. When you click on it, you will fill the information, your account number, password, and then you will be logged in. But right now I already have completed this process. I will simply go to the login page, and that's it. And once you log in here, you can select here the add existing account, and here you will be able to add your existing account. Simply the login and password, and select the server. I will recommend MT5. Select the server, live 1 or live 2, and then login and password. Once you created this account and go to my accounts, you will see your account here. And after that, you simply need to go to the providers And from here, you will select the name of the EA. How you know what accounts are managed by me? You simply go to the website and go to the live results. In the live results, here are total three number of accounts for now, and TDM analysis, the scalping machine, and the dark nova. You simply need to search for the scalping machine MT5. I will copy the scalping machine, go to the providers and right click a control V here. Here there is no signal with the name of scalping machine because of all these filter which is not visible. I will select here the USC and apply, and that's it. Now you are able to see the scalping machine USC, and from here you can simply click on it and then you will be able to start copying. Once you have balance in your account, you will be able to start copying these signals. If you need more help, you can contact me on my Telegram, and we will do one-on-one session. I will guide you about everything in the Zoom meeting if you want to join this copy trading to copy my account managed by these robots. I hope you got some valuable information by this video. So don't forget to subscribe and like. For now, that's it, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.